Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to study the sorting algorithm, that is first sorting algorithm, that is bubble sort. Okay, so first let me explain you what is bubble sort. So basically, suppose this is the array which is not in sorted order. Okay, so what it does is it compares adjacent elements of the array like 1 and 2. 1 is smaller, so keeps it as it is, and 2 and 3, so nothing gets swapped. 3 and 2, now 3 and 2 gets swapped. Okay, so like that. So adjacent element gets compared one by one, and in the end finally we get the sorted array. Okay, so first of all I will write the code, okay, and then I will explain you the flow. Okay, so let's write bubble sort, and then we will get an array here. Okay, so first of all let's define x is equal to len of a, okay, whatever array we are passing. Then directly we will run the loop for I in range x minus 1, okay, and then for j in range x minus 1 and minus I. Okay, so why minus I? Because once it gets swapped, okay, so the largest element goes at the end, so we need not compare it. Okay, so number of elements get swapped, we keep it at the end, so minus 1. So if I is 1 here, okay, so the last it doesn't go to the last element, okay, for swapping. Okay, so then we will write if a of j is greater than a of j plus 1, what we will do is a of j, okay, this condition. Okay, so a of j comma a of j plus 1 is equal to a of j plus 1 comma a of j. Okay, and finally what we will do, we will print the array. Okay, so let's check the code here. So this is the code, guys. Okay, so not much like a lot of code need to write. This is the only 4 to 5 lines of code. Okay, so let's see whether it works. So bubble sort of, let's pass the array 1 comma 4 comma 2 comma 3 comma 3 comma 4 comma 9 comma 7 comma 6. Okay, let's give comma here. Okay, so once I run this code, let's see whether it works. Yeah, so here you can see 1 2 3 3 4 4 5 6 7 and 9, so elements are sorted here. But there is one challenge here, like what if elements are already sorted here? So it still has to compare the elements, right? So to overcome that thing, like we can use flag here. For example, if I give here flag is equal to 0, okay, and here we can set flag is equal to 1, and finally when it comes out of this, and if still the flag is equal to 0, then we will break out of the loop. Okay, so what it does is, so if this swapping doesn't happen, that means elements are in already sorted order, right? So still the flag will be 0 here. If swapping doesn't happen, that means it doesn't swaps and flag is still 0, and it will break out of the loop. Okay, so this will make the bubble sort the fastest, or the faster compared to the earlier scenario, and it makes it the algorithm adaptive. Okay, so what is the meaning of adaptive here? That means you can decrease its time, okay, like the time taken for the algorithm to run, or if the elements are in already sorted order, we can ignore those steps and directly get the output. Okay, so this is bubble sort. First we'll run the loop for I in range, then for j in range, and then we will check if adjacent elements is greater, else we will swap it. Okay, so hope this works, and this is a simple code of bubble sorting. Okay, so if you learn something from this video, do hit the subscribe button. Until then, take care, bye bye.